Greeting fellow modelers, I hope you're all doing wonderful. Today, let's look at the final part of building our Fi-167A from MAREK models. Let's begin. So we're going to assemble the torpedo here. It is small, but pretty much adds a lot of character to our overall model. This, like I said before, is the German answer to the British swordfish, which I have a model of, which I plan to do soon enough. There's very little information about the combat record of the Fi. However, it is said the few that is there said that it was highly maneuverable. Although I said it before, please remember that this model I reduced to 1/72nd scale. The original model is 1/33 scale. So this would be far easier to build. Here, once I put the cap on the nose, I just smear a bit of glue on the front, smooth it out, and there we have it. Due to the size I've made it on the small parts, certain things I have substituted. Like here you see me using a toothpick to form the hub of the propeller. Cutting out the blades. This here I'll glue to that prop hub. You notice it's mounted at an angle. And then the torpedo rudder. The carrier mechanism now, I'm now installing onto the aircraft fuselage on the side. With these steps, I assure you, you can now get your own MAREK model kit of the Fi that comes in 1/33 scale, and use this as a guide to get your own done. It's truly one of the rare aircraft that not even plastic models have a great variety of, but is that must-have in your arsenal of unique torpedo bombers from World War II. For this, what I have simply done was to cut a piece of card strip double it, fold, cut, and insert in place. And secure it to the bottom of your fuselage using super glue. And pretty much this is where you'll have your model. Here the super glue, tack in place, good to go. Now just to put on that hook. And ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves a 1/72nd scale paper model of the Fi-167A from MAREK model. A beautiful kit, a unique kit. Highly recommend you getting this to add to your fleet. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good. Thank you as always for being here with me. And if you like it, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you want to see in the next build. Until then, my friends, walk good, one love.